That's right, Mark John Barrizo. Hey, Mark, ilang taong ka na?
12 years old.
12?
Yeah, Tito
Wow,
Gus.
one more year and you're gonna be a teenager. Nako.
Tito Gus.
Yes.
Somebody texted us.
Yes, yeah.
Hi to... What's that? Okay. Hi to Jang. Happy birthday. Sana matupad mo mga pangarap mo at maging mabait na bata ka. Happy birthday from Tita Lani.
Oh, napakaslang naman ng Tagalog mo, ha?
What?
Nakapaslang ng Tagalog mo.
Okay.
Okay, anyway, I'm here with Bokyo and Buki.
Bokyo
The
and Buki Cats.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
Buki ba? Buki.
Buki Cats.
Buki
Cats.
Cats, yeah.
Hello.
Bakit cats? May chicks naman. May, di ba cats is for girls,
Boys,
no?
diba?
For boys.
Boys.
Eh, what about the girls?
Buki.
Sila yung Buki. Okay.
So, Buki and Cats.
Oy, I like your song, ha?
Hi, thank you very much po.
When did you, how did that, ikaw ba nagsumulat yan? And,
That song was written by a different composer.
okay.
Yan po isang abogado.
Isang abogado, ha?
Yeah, si
You know
Atty.
why?
Romeo Esmero po.
Honestly,
Oh.
kasi, that's considered a novelty song, no? Is that considered
Yes,
a
yes,
novelty
it's a
song?
napupul
song.
po yun sa novelty. That
Oh,
song.
you know what, I like it because novelty song, sometimes, yung mga iba I've seen has may insinuation na bastos ng konti.
Yeah,
no?
right. Some other
there's an
words.
insinuation,
Yeah,
no?
right. Second
And
meaning.
but yours has a very nice message, ha?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
It's like wholesome.
Oh,
Ano
oh.
yung sabi mo? Right? Ano yun? Right?
Okay sa all right, solve.
Oh.
Kasi nga po, abogado yung gumawa, kaya okay sa all right, solve ang problema.
Okay.
After the office work, after the everything sa trabaho, sa eskwela, sa pamilya, happy muna, di ba?
It is in the market already?
Well,
song?
actually po, nasa replication period na po kami.
Okay. So when do you envision this to be in the market?
Ito pong mga last part of October. Kasi hahabol po namin sa Christmas.
Oo. Pero ako,
And-
bibigyan mo na ako. Kahit
Opo,
wala pa
opo
sa market,
naman.
bibigyan mo na ako.
Yeah, of course.
Ilan bang kanta mo sa isang CD? This
Actually,
is not a single, no? This is
this is
not a
CD,
single.
opo. Mga 10 songs po yan.
10
Do you
songs.
also write some songs, no? O talagang you just sing the song for...
Ako po yung nagsusulat din ng mga kanta. Pinakakanta ko naman po dun sa iba.
Pero
Opo.
yung sarili mo kanta, hindi mo
Opo.
nakanta.
Hindi ko po nasubukan kantahin yung sarili kong album. No. The song, kasi parang mas komportable ako yung ibang gagawa sa akin.
Oh. Siguro naman yung mga song na sinusulat mo, malungkot, kaya hindi mo kinakanta.
Opo, malungkot nga
Oo.
po. Masyado pong minsan Christian song, minsan po
Okay,
yung love
introduce naman
song.
natin yung mga kasama mong
Yeah.
Buki
Okay.
Cats.
The dancers, and he's the choreographer, right?
Yeah.
Or the choreographer. What's the name?
Dennis
Dennis.
Dennis
What?
Dennis Morales,
How old are you?
23.
23. So you're the one who's coordinating with them and choreography. Okay.
And of course, we have some sexy girls here. Kanina pa ako, ganyan. Sorry ha, sorry.
Angie po.
Ayaw mo bigay yung cell number mo, ano? Just kidding.
Angie.
Baka may gusto kayong batiin, okay lang ha, okay lang. Baka may nanonood sa inyo ha.
Jaisel po.
Now the cats.
Francis,
Francis, how old are you, Francis?
21.
21.
Joanna.
Joanna, how old are you?
15.
15.
This is the youngest.
Argel, how old are you?
19.
19. And you are?
Nikki.
Nikki, how old are you, Nikki?
21.
21. Okay. So, another message from Happy Birthday, Mark John. Ang galing mo talagang kumanta. Na-touch ako sa song mo.
sa Tagalog mo eh.
Okay, there's another message here. Happy birthday lang. Love you. God bless, Tita Jeng.
Tita Jeng.
Mahal ka ni Tita Jeng mo, ha? Okay, oo. Klapakan natin. Bigyan ba kanta nga natin happy birthday. Kahit isang verse, oh. Kabokyo,
Yeah, you have a
sing
song,
it.
right?
Yes, I have a song, Happy Birthday, yung na-revive. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, our good friend. Kasama po yun sa album ko. Woo! Opo.
Yeah, and we wanted to say thank you to Kuya Tony Azucena.
Yes.
Yeah, Kuya Tony.
Kuya Tony, thank you. Kaya po,
Yeah.
ako nag-guest because of Kuya Tony Azucena.
Yeah, always.